Today's topic is Bohr concept. Bohr's concept is mainly applicable to one electron system. One electron system means in atomic structure, Bohr concept is applicable to only one electron system. What is meant by one electron system? One electron system. One electron system means it is only applicable to hydrogen, only one electron. Helium with two electrons after removing one electron from helium. Again, lithium with 3 electrons after removing 2 electrons. Beryllium 4 electrons after removing 3 electrons. Means hydrogen atom, helium plus ion, lithium 2 plus ion, beryllium 3 plus ions are acceptable in Bohr concept. According to Bohr concept, nucleus at the center and electrons revolving around the nucleus. Around the nucleus, electron is revolving around the nucleus. Nucleus at the center. Attracting force is F and centrifugal force is mv square by r. M is the mass. M is the mass of electron. V is the tangential velocity and omega is the angular velocity. Once again, omega ta likhbi angular velocity, V tangential velocity, F equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 value is ZE. Z is the atomic number. For hydrogen atomic number is 1, for helium atomic number 2, for lithium atomic number 3, for beryllium atomic number 4, and ZE is the nuclear attraction part. Then K ZE into E Q2 is the charge of electron divided by R square. Centrifugal force is mv square by r. When F attracting force equal to centrifugal force, then only electron is revolving around the nucleus. Next part, it is the first one. Second part is, what is the value of radius? Radius means distance from orbit to nucleus. It is the first orbit. Then R equal to 0.529 inch square by Z Armstrong. 0.529, it is known as A naught value, which is known as Bohr radius. In case of hydrogen atom, n equal to 1 because it is in the first orbit, and Z equal to again 1 because only one electron in hydrogen and also one proton. For hydrogen atom, n equal to 1 and Z equal to 1. Next topic, next one is known as angular momentum, AM. Angular momentum equal to I into omega. I is inertia and omega is the angular velocity. I equal to mr square, omega equal to v by r. Then mvr is the angular momentum. According to Bohr postulate, mvr equal to nh by 2 pi in n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot. Means these are the orbit or shell number, also known as principal quantum number. Principal quantum number or PQN. Once again, nh by 2 pi. h by 2 pi is also known as n into Derrick H. H এর মাথাটা কাটা থাকছে দেখছিস, it is also known as hash. Then h equal to Planck constant. Planck constant divided by 2 pi. যখন k সেলে থাকবি তখন n এর ভ্যালু 1, যখন k এর পর l এ থাকবি তখন 2 and so on. Principal quantum number. Then angular momentum of an electron in a stationary orbit, always mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. Again, what is the number of electron? Number of electron in a shell, number of electron is given by 2n square. 2n square, if n equal to 1, then value is 2. n equal to 2, then 2 into 2 square means 8 and so on. Once again, Bohr concept in atomic structure. Bohr concept in atomic structure mainly applicable to one electron system. One electron system. First one electron system. One electron system. Second one, attractive force equal to centrifugal force. Next one, r value, radius calculation part. Next value, angular momentum, mvr equal to nh by 2 pi, number of electron in a cell. আজকে তোর আমরা একটা বেসিক আইডিয়া বোর কনসেপ্টের ডিসকাস করলাম। বোর কনসেপ্টের এর পরে যে পার্টটা আমরা ডিসকাস করব, এটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট অরবিটটা আমরা ডিসকাস করলাম। এর পরেও তোর অরবিট থাকবে, এটা হচ্ছে তোর কে শেল, এরপরে এল, এরপরে এম, এন, ও, এরকম থাকবে। দিস আর দ্য কন্টিনিউয়াস ইনক্রিজিং এনার্জি লেভেল। ইনফিনিটিতে গেলে ই এর ভ্যালুটা 0 হয়ে যাবে। তাহলে এটা আমরা একটা বেসিক কনসেপ্ট ডিসকাস করলাম। বোর কনসেপ্টে বোর অ্যাকচুয়ালি অ্যাপ্লিকেবল হয় প্রিন্সিপাল কোয়ান্টাম নাম্বারে এবং ইট ইজ রিলেটেড টু অরবিট। এখানে তোরা একটা জিনিস লিখে রাখিস, ইট ইজ অলসো রিলেটেড টু কনসেপ্ট অফ অরবিট অর শেল। It is mind map of Bohr concept. Thank you.